Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video we are going to be creating this beautiful eye look, and to create this eye look we are going to be using the brand new CARLI BYBEL palette in collaboration with ABH. I'm sure we all know who that is. And the first shade that we are going to jump right into is the Chai shade, and we are going to apply this as our transition shade in our crease. And we are going to use the Smith 232 brush for this, which is a very big fluffy brush, and it's really going to help us to blend that shadow out. And I think this is like the perfect transition shade for any look that you might create. It's not too cool, not too warm, it's pretty neutral, and I think it's perfect. So the next shade we are going to jump right into is Bible. And I'm going to apply this a little bit below, or not even, right on the crease actually. And I'm going to use the Smith 230 brush for this. And I'm really packing that color on because it is a pretty light color, but I wanted it to show in the crease. And this brush is a little bit more compact, so it takes a little bit more product and packs on more product. So I am using this brush for that reason, because I wanted the color to really show. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the brush that I used before and just blend those two shades out even more. The next shadow that I am going to jump into is Steph. This is a beautiful kind of a burgundy color. I see burgundy colors in the palette and I just have to like jump right into it, because the same thing happened to me with the So Jaded palette. There was a burgundy color in there and I just had to jump right into it. So to apply this on the outer corner, right up to the crease, I am using the Morphe M433 brush. And this brush, I'm just packing that on with the brush and blending it out into the crease and a little bit out into the center of the lid. And then I am grabbing the same shade and the Morphe M506 brush, and I am applying this to the inner corner of my eye. Not exactly the inner corner, but the inner lid of the eye. And I am kind of creating a halo effect. Not exactly a halo effect, because I don't think that my eyes are both very different, and the halo eye just looks very weird on me. So I'm not really doing that. I want to do a outer corner and the same color on the inner corner. So that's that. Not so much of a halo. I'm gonna clean up the center of the lid a little bit with concealer. Again, I'm gonna bring it up pretty high just because my creases are so different, and again, it looks very weird on my eyes, but I liked the results. And I'm going to pick up this very beautiful shade, which is probably one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's called OA, and I'm picking this up with my finger. This is a very beautiful kind of light blue shade, and it has green, pink, blue. I might even see purple flecked in there, and it looks so beautiful. The easiest way that I found to apply it was with my finger. And once again, I am going to jump into the Steph shade with the Morphe M506 brush, and I am just deepening it a little bit more because I felt like it kind of disappeared with that blue shadow that I applied in the center. And the same on the inner third of the eye lid. And of course, you can't have too much blending. There's no such thing as too much blending, so I am going to blend a little bit more as I go along with the eye makeup. I wanted to make the eyeshadow a little bit more impactful, so I picked up the Colored Rain eyeshadow brush, and it's a very beautiful brush to apply these type of shadows because I feel like it really picks up a lot of the product and it makes it show even more. So that's why I picked this up and applied a little bit more once again. So taking the Makeup Geek Defined Crease brush, I am going to take the shade Steph, and I am going to apply this to my lower lash line and kind of bring the whole look together from the upper lid to the lower lid. After that, I am going to take the color Chai with the same brush, and I am going to blend that out. I wanted to do something a little bit fun and colorful, so I kind of went with this green eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay. It's called Deep End. Since I saw some green flecks in the eyeshadow that I applied on the lid in the center, I wanted to go with a pop of color and see kind of how it turned out. Here I tried to blend it out, but at the end I didn't like it, so I just went over that that eyeliner with a black eyeliner, and then I blended that color out into the lower lash line. And this was after I applied the Samantha Lashes by Huda Beauty. And then I'm going to pick up the shade Boli or Bali with this beautiful detail brush that I love so much, the 213 by Morphe. And I am applying that to the inner corner of my eye. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this palette. It's very beautiful. And see you next time.